I was going to show you another skill that I'm not very good at, but instead, let's go on with the show. Please welcome to the stage, Dave Cremin!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Nice to see you. To see you nice. You having fun tonight? Yeah! It was a hot one today, right? 98 degrees in the shade. I was smart. I sat in the sun. My name is Dave Cremin, ladies and gentlemen, and I do stand-up comedy magic. And I'm the world's funniest magician in my price range. I choose to do comedy magic, ladies and gentlemen, because I like to have people laugh and say wow at the same time. Bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, it's comedy magic. So if it's not funny, it's magic. I've been around doing magic for several years, and the most common question I get asked is not, how do you do that? Or how did that happen? The most common question I get asked is, how did you get interested in magic? Well, the answer, ladies and gentlemen, is my father was a magician. Yes, my mother told me my father was a magician. She said he would be walking down the street, and just like that, he would turn into a bar. And by the time I was 3 years old, he just disappeared. We're going to start with a little magic tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I'd like to point something out. Secondly, I'd like to say this to you all. This. And thirdly, for the hard of hearing, I'd like to repeat that. Fourthly, here are a few small words. It is on and on. Fifthly, for all the mind readers in the audience tonight, here's a joke. And sixthly, you have some mind readers here. Took you a while to get it, but you got it. And sixthly, I like to perform a trick. It's a trick about a trick that I saw a magician perform in Vegas. As you can tell by the way I'm dressed, I recently was in Las Vegas. This is my refuse to be ignored shirt. Just in case you don't ignore me at the back. But this trick I saw a magician do, it amazed me. And all he had was 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. What he did was he threw away 2 cards. And to my amazement and everyone else's, back in his hand, he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. And it didn't matter how many times he threw 2 cards away, back in his hands, he still had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. This is the part of the trick where I was blown away, and I too forgot to applaud. Threw away 2 cards. He was always left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in his hand. How many times are you going to watch a magician throw away 2 cards and be left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards? I thought, wouldn't it be much better if the magician threw away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards and was left with 2 cards, as opposed to throwing away 2 cards and being left with 2, 3 cards. That's magic. Right before magic, they call me the audience participating magician, because I am going to get. It's time to get somebody to participate in a trick. Now, most magicians are standard magicians. They use pretty assistants. For this trick, I'm going to use an ugly assistant. Let me see. Sweetheart, would you help me with this trick? Excuse me, I was talking to him. Come on, way over here. When I said, ladies and gentlemen, let me do it this way, probably would be easy. When I said, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted someone to give me a hand for this trick, I was not kidding. Nicholas, thank you very much. Let me shake that hand, and I hope you appreciate it. Are you left-handed or right-handed? You're right-handed. Well, let's play this one safe. Let's use your left hand. What I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, I've discovered a way of putting somebody's hands into this arm child and have the blade come crashing down through the arm without doing any damage to the blade whatsoever. This is actually justice back in the ancient Roman days when thieves used to roam the streets of Rome and they used to break into 7-Eleven stores. That was before there were 24 hours. And when the Roman guards would catch them, this is the justice they dished off. They would put their hand in and off with their hand. They noticed when they caught the thief the second time, he never stole again. He wanted it, but he just couldn't pick it up. So Nicholas, we're going to, you're still with us here, yeah? Beautiful. Nicholas, you seem a little worried and I don't blame you. I don't blame you. And I'm just going to show you something just to ease your minds. This is bok choy. We're going to use this as a demonstration as your hands, Nicholas. These will be your fingers. What we're going to do, Nicholas, is we're going to put the blade on top of the bok choy, and on the count of 3, I'm going to put the blade right down through the bok choy, and it will not cut the bok choy. And then, Nicholas, when you see that, you will be a little more eager to put your hand in there. Okay? Watch. Come right down through the bok choy and without damaging the bok choy in any way whatsoever. 1, 2, 3. Houston, we have a problem. You know, Nicholas, I'm doing a show. Would you hold on a second? I'm doing a show next week, and I'm using this table, so I just want to protect it just a little. Yes, let's put it right here. Don't want to get any stains on this. Now, Nicholas, I really appreciate you helping me with this. I used to have an assistant that used to help me with this trick, but the doctors wouldn't let him know about hospital. You know what I mean? Okay, let's put it up. Well, do me a favor, put your hand all the way in. All the way in. Put it all the way in. I want to get a clean cut. Let's, I don't want to drop anything here. Let's see what we have. Just as only a precaution. Okay, I want you to say after me, Nicholas. I, Nicholas, promise to do the best I can on this comedy effect, not like the little boy yesterday. May he rest in pieces. Are we ready? On the count of 3. 1. Come with me, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, look, Nicholas is on stage. Nicholas, thank you so much. My website is Out of This World. It's www.outofthisworldmagic.com. The last effect that I'm going to perform here, ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not, in the 90s when CBS ran the reruns of the Ed Sullivan Show, I saw a magician in there do this effect. And I'd like to perform you my version here this evening. And it's a very old trick. It's been around for quite some time. And it's very simple. You only have to keep your eyes on 2 items. The items are a bottle and a glass. The object of the trick is to separate the bottle from the glass. There's more. A lot more. Once the bottle and the glass are separated, we're going to get them to change places with each other. In other words, the bottle is going to jump over here where the glass was, and the glass will jump over here where the bottle is. And we're going to do this, ladies and gentlemen, under cloak and dagger. That's why we have these 2 tubes. I want you to watch very, very closely and very, very carefully. And if you see anything funny, any suspicious moves, or anything shady going on, keep your mouth shut. I don't want you to open nobody. We start by putting tube number 1 over the bottle. Tube number 2 goes over the... Oh! Anybody see that? I don't know where the hell that came from. You know, maybe I should explain, ladies and gentlemen, when a magician performs magic with breakable props like glasses and bottles, it's always good to have a backup. In that case, you know, if something breaks, we have a backup right here. Okay, tube number 2 will cover up the glass. I snap my fingers and make a magical wave, casting the shadows of both my hands over both tubes, simultaneously and at the same time. absolutely nothing happens. Unless you're dyslexic. If you're dyslexic, you may have seen some kind of movement here. I should explain something a little earlier. When we're performing this trick, the bottle has to be the exact same distance from the glass as the glass is from the bottle. We are going to need a little help from the audience, ladies and gentlemen. The magic words are change. Everybody, all together, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Change! Wow. Ye are good. The bottle is now over here where the glass was, and the glass is over here where the bottle was. But that's the easy part. The hard part is making them go back again. All together, change! Unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. If you're sober, you won't believe me when I tell you that it's easy to make the bottle change places with each other. But it's extremely difficult to get them to go back again. And you can see this happens so fast. It's like 1, 2, 3. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the tube, number 1 covers the bottle. Tube number 2 covers the... Oh! Anybody see that one either? Neither did I. An extra bottle, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know. Tube number 2 covers the glass, which becomes the bottle, and the bottle over here becomes the glass, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to dedicate that to Ed Sullivan. If Ed Sullivan was alive today and he could perform this trick, I'm sure he could do it with 1 tube. Glass becomes the bottle, and the bottle, ladies and gentlemen, over here becomes the glass. Excuse me, sir, could you move around and make it look like it's a 12? Thank you. Well, there's 1 tube or 2, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't matter. The bottle changes places with the glass. You know what happens? You need to have an extra bottle. 1 tube or 2, it doesn't matter. The glass becomes the bottle over here becomes the glass. But you know how that works? You need an extra bottle. Whether it's 1 tube or 2, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't really matter. But you can see that the glass over here becomes the bottle, and now the bottle becomes the glass, and that is done because we have an extra bottle. Well, it doesn't matter whether it's 1 tube or 2, we can make the bottle change places with the glass, but it does help, ladies and gentlemen, if you have. Now, ladies and gentlemen, watch very carefully, because now the glass becomes the bottle over here, the bottle becomes the glass. And you're probably going to say, how the hell did that happen? Get him to go back. We can get him to go back, but it doesn't matter. You know what the problem is? You need to have an extra bottle for this trick, ladies and gentlemen. And anytime I see a glass and a bottle, I like to propose a toast. Maybe it's just the Irish in me. Ladies and gentlemen, there's an old saying in this business. It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, you have been important. Thank you.